What if I say watching only one this short video, you can ask 3 questions in your any English literature exam. Let's get to know how. So today we are going to discuss 2 different type of sonnets: Petrarchan sonnet, which is also called Italian sonnet, and another is that is Shakespearean sonnet. So there is slight difference between both. That is, Petrarchan sonnet is made up of 2 stanzas. That is, one stanza is 8-line stanza, that is octave, and another is 6-line stanza, that is sestet. And in Shakespearean stanza, what we see 3-4-line stanza, that is quatrain, and 1 couplet in last. And if we see the presentation and theme in these sonnets, so what we see in Petrarchan sonnet, octave represents question, it can be question, it can be problem, and in sestet it presents solution of the question which is asked in octave, right? And in Shakespearean sonnet, what we see in 3 stanzas, that is quatrain, problems and questions are discussed, and in couplet there is a solution. And now if it comes to second question, so that is rhyming scheme. And what is the difference between rhyming scheme, I mean Petrarchan and Shakespearean? So there is slight different, and these are very easy, and I'm going to tell you very jugadu tarika to remember that. If we see Petrarchan sonnet rhyming scheme, so there is abba abba chade chade, means ABBA, that is octave, and chade chade, CDE, that is sestet. So this is the rhyming scheme of Petrarchan sonnet or Italian sonnet. And if we see in Shakespearean sonnets, what can we see? AB, CD, EF, GG, that means quatrains, AB, CD, EF, and in couplet we see GG, that means there is a rhyming couplet, that is called rhyming couplet, which I asked in last short video where I uploaded the stanzas, the type of stanza. And now it comes to third question, right? So that is volta. What is volta? So volta is a turn in sonnet. That if you see in Petrarchan sonnet, so there is octave, and in octave and sestet, between octave and sestet, that so last line of octave's last line, that is 8th line and 9th lines of sestet. So it is found in between 8th and 9th line. And in Shakespearean sonnet, what we see, that is found in the last quatrains, means third quatrain's last line, and in the beginning of couplets line. So that is found, that is volta. Now question for you: which meter did Shakespeare use to write his sonnets?